All right, now, so I'm unragging the Superdome. Why did you rag up? What? That's just so stupid. I don't know why I ragged up. First things first, you're going to need that hot rag. Reason being is because you want to open your pores. And I like to start with the butter first. Butter breaks up like oil in your hands, so I guess it doesn't matter which you go with first. And then I like to go in with hair growth oil. Rub your hands together and apply it evenly through your hair. This is a blank canvas for you to get a visual of how you want your hair to look, to come in. Focus on the angles. Remember, whatever hand the brush is in and you hitting that angle, it needs to be in that same hand, hitting that same angle every single time, okay? Do not switch hands whatsoever. Make sure y'all stay tuned for more content. If you haven't already done so, head over to the website at 26kingwavy.merch.com to get your natural hair care products. Follow your boy. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, or drop a comment in the comment section down below. All right, peace.